I'm getting my shit pushed in here.
Calm down, we've got a Skybird en route to your position.
Oh, damn it! Where's that evac?
Roger, that evac on approach.
Roger, I have visual.
The LZ is too hot.
I repeat, too hot. Clear out those bogies.
I'm on it.
Alright, sit tight.
Alright, should be clear down there.
Oh shit, I'm locked, I'm locked!
I need an evac.
We've got a Skybird down, Skybird down.